Okay, let's begin Premiere Pro. I put a video on my timeline that's I like to color grading. See, this is before color grading and this is after result. If you selected clip, by default Lumetri color panel should show here, but if you miss it, then go window and select Lumetri color. Now in the Lumetri color panel you see basic correction. Tick mark on it. Now we correction right sliders. What is more effective for us? Temperature we increase it, then tint. Exposure increase. Contrast increase. Highlight decrease. Shadow decrease. White increase. Black decrease. By the slider you can test what is correct for your video. Okay, now you take this by active basic correction and off this. Okay, this is enough for color grading. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.